Want to unlock the secrets of your Google site and truly understand how people are interacting with it? Let's dive in. First, you'll need a Google Tag Manager account. Head over to tagmanagergoogle.com and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one. Once logged in, create a new account. Name your account, choose your country, and then select your website's intended use being web. Give your container a name, immediately your Google site's name, and click Create. Agree to the terms of service. Google Tag Manager will then provide two code snippets. The first is the container tag snippet, and it's the most important. This should be copied. This code is going to be pasted into your Google site's HTML. Now, head over to your Google site, click the settings icon, symbolized by a gear. Select Custom Code, find the Edit Custom Code, and select Add Custom Code. This will open a window for you, and you can paste the first Google Tag Manager snippet into the body section on the page and add the second snippet, which is the second tag, into the head of the page. Be sure to save your changes. Note, if you did not add the head tag, the site will not function correctly. Now, back in Google Tag Manager, you can start adding tracking tags. Click New Tag. The first tag you'll want to create is a Google Analytics tag. Select Google Analytics GA4 configuration. For modern setups, the best way to begin is to get the GA4 Property ID for this tag. Go to Google Analytics and find your property ID, paste it into GTM. Now, to make sure your tag tracks everything, you need to create a trigger. Use the All Pages trigger to fire the tag on all pages of your website. Click Save, and that's the basic setup completed. Now publish your container. You're ready to start tracking. Now, you can monitor your website data in Google Analytics and start making informed decisions. You've successfully implemented Google Tag Manager on your Google site.